Alistair, Richard here. This is ready now for filling, and yeah, the last and the oil varnish. So there is slight discoloration, which is not coming out at all. But once it's varnished with the oil, should bring everything into a pretty uniform colour. But the only thing is that this is pretty awful, and this just will not move. In fact, the whole floor is kind of moving, Alistair, to be honest with you. That's not a hole, that's just a terrible black spot. But, you know, luckily that's underneath the piano, and once it's oiled, a couple of coats of oil and filled, you know, it should look fairly uniform. So I'm sorry it's not absolutely perfect, but with a floor like this, it's going to look pretty good, I think. You know, at the end of the day, you're going to have a really nice effect.